Good morning, friends. I am Anil Satcher, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to the Zoom meeting of eLightform.io. It is a great project to earn cryptocurrency, Etherlight. Let me tell you something about Etherlight. Etherlight is a new blockchain launched on 1st May 2021 and is a hard fork of Ethereum. It is one of the fastest blockchain to run on a POS, proof of stake consensus. This blockchain will offer fast transfer speed and low gas price. Moreover, all platforms on ETH, Ethereum can run on Etherlight for faster and cheaper solution. Etherlight management has massive marketing strategic approach for this project. Mainnet celebrations was done at Burj Khalifa, Dubai. IBCO opening was done at Times Square, New York. You can see the press releases at etherlight.org, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, and many more. Existing partnerships from smart contracts and DeFi communities are ready to use our blockchain. Big partnerships are coming soon. Now, what is for you in this opportunity? You will earn Etherlight without investing huge amounts. I always say in my meetings, if you missed a chance to collect Bitcoins in 2009 and you again missed a chance to collect Ethereum in 2015, now you have chance to collect Etherlight either through buying Etherlight from exchanges or earn through our project elightform.io. When we talk about earning cryptocurrency, the first impression that the first impression that comes to our mind is we have to go for mining. But mining business can't be played with masses. The second impression that comes to mind is trading, but I call trading as snake and ladder game. We are offering you an absolutely unique way to earn crypto through network marketing. Let us come to the main point. The creator of this plan is elightform.io. It is a decentralized project, a smart contract on Etherlight platform. This project is based on a concept yield farming. Now, what is yield farming? It is a popular strategy DeFi users take advantage of to put their cryptocurrencies to work to earn high interest. In Etherlight concept, you can earn through staking also, but that is an average income program. We are earning through staking also, but at the rate of 15 to 20%. But through yield farming, you can gain highest yield. You can earn 200%, 500%, 1000%. I staked 165,000 ETL and received 673 ETL in one epoch as interest. But I invested 3000 ETL in elightform.io and started building my network and worked in yield farming concept and earned 48,000 ETL in the same period. This is the beauty of yield farming. Let us understand the concept of elightform.io. For yield farming, the system has used binary system of network marketing. Binary system is the most lucrative plan in network marketing. In binary system, you can join the system and sponsor two and teach them to sponsor two. This is a teaching business. The structure will be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on. In binary, you can start with two people. One is left and the other is right. And you are to match left and right. And here matching ratio is 1:1. How to start? You can start with 3000 ETL, approximately price as on today 0.02 USDT for 1 ETL. Download Token Pocket Wallet, add Etherlight blockchain by going to etherlight.org. Add 3001 ETL to your wallet. You have bigger packages also to start with. You can start with 15,000 ETL, 30,000 ETL, 150,000 ETL, 300,000 ETL, and 1500,000 ETL. Let us start with 3,000 ETL, smallest package. Sponsor 2 with 3,000 ETL each, you can earn 10% direct sponsor income and 8% pair matching. In value, your income will be, for the first two joinees, 300 ETL for first direct, 300 ETL for second direct, and 240 ETL from the pair match. And total will be 840 ETL, 840 ETLs. Let the system go on by teaching your team members to do the same. Your income will be 8% for each pair matched to unlimited depth and 10% for every direct. Payouts will be instant for direct sponsor and for the pair matching. You will get benefit of auto spillover and placements also. Suppose I have sponsored 2 persons, but I have to sponsor 10 more. Then these 10 persons will move to the down because you cannot change the structure of binary. It is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on, as I told you earlier. You will get the benefit of the overflow from the upline, so-called spillover. No flushing of points at any stage, as is done in binary plans of product-driven companies, where points are flushed for not meeting monthly targets. Here you have no monthly target, no product selling. You will get one more income, that is daily ROI, return of investment. If you start business with 3,000 ETL, you will get 2,100 ELF coins daily to be launched on decentralized exchanges in November. And if you didn't sponsor a single person, you will get 2,100 ELF daily up to a period of 5.87 years. Total 4,500,000 coins. ELF is Eliteform's own ERC20 tokens built on the Etherlight blockchain. In binary concept, we get income from unlimited depth. So to maintain the balance, there is a capping on incomes. Here capping is 5 times. Means you invested 3,000 ETL, you can earn 15,000 ETL only. You can make your amount 5 times only. Now spend 3,000 again and increase your capping to 15,000 ETL more. If you feel your team is growing, you can top up with bigger packages. Suppose you topped up with 15,000 ETL, your capping will be 75,000 ETL. This is a big plan where you will not only earn from new joinings, but you will earn from reinvestments by older team members to increase their capping as their teams grow. No burden is put on the strugglers. There is no time limit to earn 5 times capping. Now there is one question: why people will join with bigger packages? The answer is, first, their capping will be according to the package pot. Number 2, ELF coin ratio will increase. That is, for 3,000 ETL package, you will get 7%, means 2,100 daily, ELFs daily. But in 30,000 ETL package, you will get at the rate of 8% ratio, means 24,000 ETL daily, not 21,000 ETL. Dear friends, I hope I could explain the project. This is a great project because you are earning Etherlight, and Etherlight is the future of cryptocurrency. Its price can match Ethereum anytime. So go and start earning Etherlight. Thank you so much.